Today, I will show you how to add a ball to refresh to a list view in Flutter. We will use a list variable in a stateful widget. When this variable is empty, we will show a progress indicator. Otherwise, we will show a list view as a child of a refresh indicator widget. We will display the items of the list variable using a list viewer builder. We will use a function to clear the list variable, then call an API to get a new set of data and update the variable. The refresh indicator will use that function for its onRefresh method.